away my shot. I am not throwing away my shot. I am not throwing away my shot. I am not throwing away my shot.
What's your name, man?
Alexander Hamilton. We are waiting in the wings for you. You can never back down. You never learn to take your time. Oh, Alexander Hamilton. When America sings for you, will they know what you overcame? Will they know you rewrote the game? The world will never be the same. You'll be back, soon you'll see. You'll remember you belong to me. You'll be back, time will tell. You'll remember that I served you well. Oceans rise, empires fall. We have seen each other through it all. And when push comes to shove, I will send a fully armed battalion to remind you of my love.
Everybody,
Work, work,
Angelica,
work, work,
Eliza,
work, work. The Silent Sisters.
Jessica, Eliza.
Work.
Daddy said to be home by sundown. Daddy doesn't need to know. Daddy said not to go downtown. Like I said, you're free to go back.
Look around, the revolution's happening in New York, in New York. We hold these truths to be so evident that I'm never creating one. Look around, how lucky you are to be alive right now. History is happening in Manhattan, and we just happen to be
The greatest city
in the greatest city, in the greatest city in the world.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Wait for it. Life doesn't discriminate between the sinners and the saints. It takes and it takes and it takes, and we keep living anyway. We rise and we fall and we break and we make our mistakes. And if there's a reason I'm still alive when so many have died,
Then I'm willing to wait for it.
wait for it. I'm willing to wait for it.
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 I'm the one thing in life I can control.
Wait for it.